Good morning, students. We will discuss about next experiment number 25. Hmm? This 25 experiment number title to sterilize hospital fabrics. Example gown, towel, caps, masks. ठीक आहे तर टू स्टरिलाइज फॉर हॉस्पिटल फॅब्रिक जे हॉस्पिटलमध्ये फॅब्रिक्स आहेत त्याला आपण स्टरिलाइज करणार आहोत. ठीक आहे. ॲपरेटस material to the sterilize autoclave, muslin cloth, steam permeable paper, sterilizing bin, dressing metal dome. ठीक है. This is apparatus. Procedure: the pack the materials which are sterilized in size of 12 into 12 into 20 packet. ठीक है. The wrap the pack in the 2 layers of muslin cloth or 1 layer of the muslin cloth and 1 layer of the brown paper. ठीक है. wrap the pack into 2 layers the for muslin cloth, or 1 layer is muslin cloth and 1 layer of the brown paper is tight of the packet loosely, not dense with the thread. ठीक है. arrange the packets side by side, sterilizing bin. Keep the steam inlet of the sterilizing bin open during the sterilization cycle. Keep the steam inlet and of the sterilizing the bin open during the sterilization cycle. Place the sterilizing bin placed for sterilized bin for autoclave and autoclave. Switch on the autoclave and sterilize the material under the following conditions. The started to firstly switch on for autoclave and the started the procedure for sterilizing materials to under the following condition. Which conditions are present? The holding pressure is 10 pounds per square inch. Holding temperature, how much temperature is required for? 110 degree Celsius. Holding time 45 minutes for holding time for the autoclave. Next procedure, which of the autoclave, switch off the autoclave and allow the pressure come to down the 0 to 45 minutes. Switch off the autoclave and pressure come to down the 0 and open the lid and autoclave and remove the sterilizing material. Close the steam inlet of the sterilizing bin immediately. Transfer the sterilizing bin in the sterile area. ठीक है. Transfer the sterilizing bin in sterile area. ठीक है. Gives the result. The given sample of materials are which sterilized or not. ठीक है. Which gives the result to mention it. ठीक है. Next experiment which experiment number 26. First is title, aim of the experiment, this to sterilize the surgical dressing, sterilize for surgical dressings. ठीक है. The concept, general concept, which surgical dressings which pack unload in autoclave and unloaded. Understand? ठीक है. Gives the details for the practicals. Firstly apparatus required, sample, viruses, surgical dressings, cotton wool balls, gauze swabs, ribbon gauze, bandages, absorbent cot, lint, autoclave, facial conditioner, wrapping, which wrapping is present, muslin cloth, nylon bags or paper bag. ठीक है. is the required for the apparatus. ठीक है. this diagram for the dressing metal drum. ठीक है. Next, the procedure. Which procedure? This is the industriability in the carefully handled drum. Advantage of drum included which advantages? Industriability, carefully handled, easily packed and removal and contained, good protection during the post surgical sterilization storage, good protection for during post sterilization storage. Which steps involved? ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्टेप्स क्या है? Prepare small packs of the surgical dressings and keep them in perforated metal drum and wrap the with muslin cloth. Wrap for muslin cloth. ठीक है. और nylon bags or paper bags. Determine? Yes, understand? Suitably packed dressings are loaded in autoclave. ठीक है. If metal drums with the side vent are used, then placed in their sides after the opening of slides, keep the sufficient space for the easy circulation of steam inside the autoclave. Keep the sufficient space for the easy circulation for steam inside the autoclave. Which of the autoclave sterilize surgical dressings under the following condition? Which conditions? Holding temperature 31 inch square. Holding temperature which 134 degree Celsius. Holding time 3 minutes. ठीक है. Sometime other combination may be used. ठीक है. If metal drum is used as a container, then holding time increases by the 5 minutes. Switch off the autoclave. ठीक है. Switch off the autoclave and wait till pressure comes to 0. ठीक है. Switch off the autoclave and till pressure comes to 0 is ठीक है. Open the lid and wait for 10 to 15 minutes to prevent condition of the inside the steam into water. Remove the sterilized dressing and write the date of sterilization. ठीक है. Remove the sterilizing dressings. ठीक है. And write the date of the sterilization. Which result? The surgical dressings were sterilized and not sterilized. ठीक है. Which gives the result to determine understanding and study, and you are fill up the result. Yes. ठीक है. This is the experiment number 26. Okay, thank you. To this experiment number 25 and 26 is similar but different. Surgical instruments are used for the sterilizing purposes. ठीक है. To the procedure is simple. Taken the requirement apparatus and to the sterilized to given in conditions for autoclave, holding pressure, holding temperature, holding time. This condition to the required for the autoclave for the sterilizing the surgical dressings and instruments. ठीक है. That is a easy process to understand. ठीक है. Okay, thank you.